Well, guys, it looks like I'm going to have to order me another injector. I thought it was the nipple cup, and it's not. So here's the one that I had recently bought. It's not properly sealing, and that's a brand new uh, seal down in there. I don't understand why it's not sealing, but here's the old one, the one that doesn't run properly. So there we go. That's got a good seal on it. You have to actually take some force to pull that off of there. So I don't know what's going on with this. I will try to take this little pin out of here and replace that O-ring again, put a new pin in there, but I don't think that has anything to do with it. I'm trying to see if it's cracked, but I'm not seeing any cracks or anything. I don't understand why it's not sealing properly. It makes absolutely no sense to me whatsoever. And you know, this thing's got I'm just going to stick this horrible one back down in there, which I think is this one. I'll know if it won't fit properly. Yeah, this is the good or the horrible one, but it'll seal it. So I'm just going to throw that back on there. Well, first I'm going to try and change that out. I have the whole kit to replace everything, so I'm going to try that first. And if that doesn't work, then I'm just going to stick this back in there, and I bet you it'll run without the high pressure oil leak, but it'll just run like crap. And I mean, it's better than nothing, because this truck just went down on me. So I will just stick that in there and probably use this as a core. So I'll send off for a new injector and see how that works out.